If you've been anywhere on social media, you will know that Charli XCX new album, Brat, is like the anthem of the summer. I love the album, it's so good. And I recently watched one of her, I think it's Vogue, Beauty Secrets video. It was actually done 2 years ago. They renamed it Brat Summer so it would get more views. Cheeky. But anyways, I thought it would be fun to recreate it because it's very different from what I do. She's very heavy on the eyeliner, and like I said in my last video, I am going to learn how to do proper eyeliner and eye looks. It's happening. Charli's helping me learn. So anyways, let's get into the video. Please subscribe if you haven't, like, share a comment what you think about this makeup. Listen, my hair's still wet from my shower, so let's get going. So she starts with like moisturization of the skin and uses La Mer. I am not in the La Mer income category, so I'm just gonna use some Fix Plus. Has lots of glycerin and hydrating products. Just for time, I'm gonna press it in. Waken up the face. It's a very heavy eye makeup look. She calls it raccoon eyes. It's what she did in school. She said she kind of got in trouble for it sometimes. So I have this, it is waterproof, so it's hard for like smudging out. It's just black. It's from Sephora collection. But I also have Costa Riche. Now this is a brown with a lot of red in it. I feel like I have to stay with the tutorial though, and that means black eyeliner. She just like goes in all the way, and hers looks so creamy. And then flicks it up here. And then I swear she just like rubs it with her fingers. Oh, see, my eyes instantly start watering and going red. Great. This isn't very Brat Summer. I'm gonna kind of go heavier on the outer corner. And then, oh my God. She's very messy with it. She likes the sleeped-in look. She gives an example of going partying and then sleeping in her makeup and liking how it looks in the morning better. So that's the vibe. It's very different from what I usually do, which is more minimalist. And then just kind of smudge it. See, I'm not using, this is just gonna give raccoon eyes. So instead, I am going to take my black gloss from my Huda Beauty palette and I'm just gonna load up both sides. And then I'm gonna use that. Oh my God, is this the dumbest video I've ever done? Maybe. What am I doing? And then I'm just gonna smudge it. Oh my God. Listen, you've probably already have clicked off, but I'm just gonna keep going over here. Listen, if you're looking for an eye pencil that's gonna set in 4 seconds, this is for you. Okay, and then she just like smudges. Maybe we can't do this. Oh my God, what am I doing? Now the reason why I've done this like this and not freaking out too much yet, she takes eye makeup remover and cleans it up. I don't actually have eye makeup remover. I just use like my oil cleanser, my first step. So we're just going to do that. I was thinking, oh, maybe I'll go out and just get like a cheap one, but that defeats the purpose, I think, of my channel, where I use what I got and I don't run to get every new thing, you know? I don't know, she might be onto something. So then she uses an eyeshadow that's quite close to her, like, but I'm just going to use Rise Up here, and she just sweeps it across the lid. Okay, mascara time, and she mentions that she just likes doing the outside lashes. Listen, I think this girl has good genes and she can just kind of do her makeup a bit differently. This is more of like a natural. Oh, Charli, girl. Now we're gonna put hairspray in our eyebrows. Charli has like these really beautiful bushy eyebrows. And I guess this is great for not overusing products or like having to purchase more. You know, most of us have hairspray. Maybe if you're traveling, you want to bring less product. Ooh. I feel crazy. Okay, what does she do next? Okay, and then she does what she calls like e-girl blush. She doesn't do concealer or foundation, which I was like, oh, maybe I'll just do a skin tint and kind of rub it under my eyes. But no, we're following her tutorial. So she takes a really neutral blush. I believe she uses Milk Makeup one. And the e-girl vibe is like nose. Listen, I think Charlie's just a really pretty lady who can pull stuff like this off. And then her last step is the lips, which is amazing that we're already there. She likes to do just like bitten lip, she calls it. And she uses a Charlotte Tilbury product and a Glossier product. I don't have those, so I'm gonna make my own just bitten lip for my skin tone. I'm gonna use Dior lip tint in Rosewood, very light, just to give it some staying power. See, just kind of like a bruised lip. And then I'm gonna use Summer Fridays in Cherry, give a bit of glossiness. She uses the Laneige lip mask, but I have this and this is what I'm gonna use. Listen, I knew like the rave girl life wasn't for me because I like to be in bed by 9:30ish watching Bob's Burgers. This is kind of Charli XCX inspired makeup look. I think if I had a better eyeliner, it might have looked a little better. You're like, no, it doesn't look good on you. I will say it is kind of nice to do makeup and not do the base first and like concealer, the setting powder, bronzer, all that stuff. It was kind of fun just to focus on the eyes. I don't think I would do my blush like this. It's not my favorite. And actually my eyes are quite itchy, so maybe that liner is out of date. I think I did buy it like 2 Christmases ago, so. But this is a great lip combo, so that's a fun one to pull out every now and again. She obviously has like fun with makeup and just does it her way. And it's nice to not have the filter of like such a production, I guess, which is kind of what I'm trying to do on my channel. So please like, please comment. Have you listened to the album Brat? What's your favorite song? I love Girl, so confusing. Oh my God, how relatable. I hope you have a good day. We will see each other again in the next video. We're gonna do a chat about what I've learned on YouTube. I'm excited. Bye.